With Saint Valentine's Day approaching, I wanted to do something romantic. That was the idea with this heart-shaped cast-iron Dutch oven. It was only $20 at Aldi, which was surprising by itself, but I later learned that these things could cost hundreds of dollars. Wow. I was looking for a Dutch oven because I wanted to make crispy bread. Do you know that crunch I'm talking about? It's delicious. So, could I make heart-shaped bread with this Crofton cast-iron Dutch oven? Well, I added a little bit of complexity to this project. After watching a YouTube video about bread making in the Middle Ages, I got this Einkorn flour. It's more expensive than regular flour. This bag was about $15 at Amazon. But at Costco, I can get 5 times more flour for just $20. Yet, I wanted to see if this flour from Italy would create that classic European-style bread, like the bread I used to eat in New York City. Unfortunately, it was more difficult than expected. I had trouble mixing the dough. It was more like pancake batter. But eventually, here it is in a ball shape. Let's let it rest to see if it grows. Meanwhile, the instructions say to clean the cookware before using it. I was already cleaning it before that. You don't need to tell me. Nice and soapy. A few hours later, let's check on the dough. Oh, it got bigger, but it looks like a cookie. That's something I read about einkorn flour. It can be tough to make it rise. This was not as good as I imagined, but at $15 a bag, we're going to make this work. So there's the dough in the pot. And now into the oven. And here's the pizza. 10 minutes later, I flipped around the pizza. I didn't know if this was working, but I just let it cook some more. And after 10 more minutes, the pizza looked good. It was better than a lot of slices from New York City. I like the clean taste. It's not too oily and it's fresh. But this video is about the bread. How did that turn out? It did not look like a loaf of bread. Not like I expected. It looked like an undercooked cookie. Even after about 30 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, I was wondering if I should just throw it out. But after a piece was cut, it was so crunchy. And it was quite yummy. I made a small sandwich right on the spot. So this cast iron pot seems pretty good, if you can find it. When I went back to Aldi, these pots were sold out.